this event called, not sure how to pronounce it, so you can correct me if I'm wrong, called Lluvia or Lluvia, I don't know, but we're about to have a good time today, and come follow me. Stay tuned for more footage.
What's the ball one? She taking advantage when she find this bottom working at me body. Take your time and go little. Lluvia! I go by the name to make sure baby it's fine. Don't you care? Like what? Take your time and go little. I want you while it's slow. Ladies, listen. Y'all follow instructions. And forward with a bubble. Bubble. Not yet. You're back in that Lluvia band. I want shots of bubble. 1, 2, 1, 2. Stop the bubble. Okay, push back for it. Push back for it. Hey. Listen, baby, I want you wine all in your front face. Joanna, how you do me like Joanna? How you gonna do me like Joanna? Joanna, hey Joanna, Joanna, ay. How you gonna play me like Jogbaho? How you gonna do me like Jogbaho? Oh, DJ Jogbaho. Hold on, this is a wet fet. I gotta play 1 or 2 for the ladies that came out here today.
Yeah, I was doing
I'ma play only 2 for the ladies.
1, 2, 3,
tell me.
Bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down. Pick it up, now break that shit down, speed it up, then slow that shit down on the gas, go with that, bust down, bust down on the gas, oh, bust down, Tatiana.
Girl, you wasn't with the man shade. The man shade, niggas finish cash shade. This last hand, old style from the cash shade. The man shade, you can ride in the jam shade. The damn hand, you can swing by your band shade. A brand shade, got money like a band shade. The trash shade, I'm a bitch, I'm a nigga, yeah. Pull a trigger, yeah. I play it in the
it, look back at it, look back hard. Anybody celebrating a birthday inside Lluvia tonight, put your hands up. What's your back? After you back it up, then stop. Then what? Any Haitians inside here tonight, put your hands up. What you must say? Anybody inside here speak Creole, put your hands up. Live wire, what's good, Listen, don't spray one on the stage. Come on, Michael, you know that shit. Come on, Michael. That's our team. That's our team.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, your girl Shakira. I needed to close out the video, so I know it's kind of dark because that event totally tired me out. So I took a nap, ate some food. Now I'm good. So I'm just getting ready for the rest of the night. So I'm just gonna hang out with some friends. So I had a good time at Lluvia. So I think that's how you pronounce it. I keep pronouncing it wrong, so I don't know. I guess correct me in the comments. So the event was really fun. There was no drama, no trouble. Everybody had a good time. Everybody was dancing, you know, just having a good time. And that's what we want to encourage in Boston. And I'm just glad to see that and be able to participate in, you know, day parties in Boston. You know, that's my thing, day parties. So what is it called again? Sorry. Big up to all the DJs, the promoters. They did a good job on this one. It was like part 2 to Zouave. So if you didn't go to Zouave, if you did go to Zouave, it was like part 2 of Zouave, except there was water, which was fun. It was like an adult sprinkler party, you know. So there was people had water guns and they have the water hose. So it felt like, you know, we were like running in and out of a fire hydrant. So yeah, that was fun. We got to bring our Zouave bottles in there, so we got to sip our own liquor, which was really cool. They served food there. They serve food where you can purchase it with them for free, which was really cool. And yeah, I just thought it was a cool event. So I hope you guys enjoy the footage that I captured there, and definitely enjoy. Definitely subscribe.